How to participate in class discussions. How to give presentation in class. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is simple and fun. Do you feel nervous speaking in class? Today, I'll show you some easy steps to participate confidently and perfectly as a beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with a greeting and with a self-introduction. Begin your presentation with an introduction of yourself, greeting to show respect and manners. Step 2. Prepare before class. Read the lesson first. Underline 2 to 3 ideas you want to share. This makes speaking easier. Step 3. Use simple starter phrases. Try these. I agree because. Can you repeat that? I have a question about. Step 3. Listen carefully. Before you speak, make sure you understand what the teacher or your classmates are saying. For example, if the teacher asks, "What do you think about the story?" Listen to others, then share your idea. Step 4. Speak clearly and politely. If you have an answer, raise your hand and say, "I think," or "My opinion is." Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Step 5. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, say, "Can you explain that, please?" Or, "What does this word mean?" Asking questions shows you are interested in learning. Step 6. Body language matters. Sit up straight, raise your hand, and smile. This shows you're ready. Step 7. Short answers are okay. You don't need long sentences. Just say, "I think pollution is bad because it hurts animals." Step 8. Practice daily. Challenge yourself. Step 9. Get to the point. Air out your views, question or response in the simplest possible manner in order to avoid confusing yourself and others listening to you. For example, "I can't attend class on Monday because I'm sick. What should I do?" By so doing, you kept it short and clear. Step 10. Speak once every class. It gets easier. Now it's your turn. Comment below and speak in this class to begin with. What's one topic you want to discuss in class? And that's it. Now you know how to participate in class discussions. Practice these tips, and you'll grow your confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Happy learning!